You can RV right up to the train. There's their one of the cars, the kitchen cars. A beautiful station, and some of their cars right here. And here he comes. They give us a ride. How are you? Yep, that's what it is. We're coming to hook up. No, 93. 93.
That's low.
Yeah. Look at there's no water in the river at all. What is it? Crab?
Crab and coconut milk.
And how is it?
So excellent.
And what was it again?
Parmesan, poppy seed, peppercorn, poppy seed, mandarin oranges.
So here we are. Pretty cool scenery. We're right alongside a golf course, and that's where we are.
Look at this over here.
Where the hell are we? Mango and tiramisu. The bar here. More dining there. And so main course.
Scallops. Salmon and scallops.
Turn the dish on. So it's not your typical Amtrak meal by any means. And here's the chicken breast with the 4 cheeses and peppers and et cetera, et cetera. Dessert with the chocolate cake, key lime pie, and blueberry cheesecake, or something like that. There we go. There we go. There's dessert to go with the coffee. So here's all the details right there.